There's the vending machine drinks. But I already got my own from the store, so I'll tell you what, let's do a vending machine bonus at the end. Why not? I think I tried to get a drink here, but apparently they're out of like the drink that I want. At least it's only $1. Not that dollar. Sorry about this. Coca-Cola. I might just, I don't know, guess I'll get a Dr. Pepper. The other hotel, it was like $2.50, but it was like a Pepsi, because it's in New Orleans. Okay, well, currently that doesn't work. Great. Alright, well, you know what? Now I can't do the vending. Those machines, they kind of screw you up. Sorry about that, my camera was on a memory. Guess we'll go down one floor up, I don't know. Maybe I should just split these videos. Do the hallway tour, the vending machine in video, and that elevator video. That might be cool. I might do that. Separate. Okay, now we're on. Oh, people are still sleeping, or well, actually, they just don't want housekeeping to come in. That's pretty much what that thing is for. Well, a lot of people on this floor. It's the ice machine. Open off mode. I'm holding my wallet and my phone and the card key at the same time. Let's see if it works this time. Oh, it does. Haha. Oh. Okay, that was kind of unnecessary, but whatever. Oh god, what the heck? It's like all wet. Oh, there's the vending machine part. Alright, I'm gonna end the video right here because I gotta put some stuff away. Oh wow, look. Oh wait. Hey look, no cherry coke in this one. I don't think. Yeah. Tipping or rocking may cause serious injury or death. Yeah. Don't even try to shake this machine. Because it's not worth it. At least there's one above and below. Alright guys, that's it. Peace out.